I can smell him. He's gotta be up his head somewhere.
If that Moreno pup escapes, the Moreno will kill us.
Hey, Rose, are you a virgin? Take off your clothes, baby.
Catherine, you must pay me the $5,000 rent by the end of this month, or I'll hand you over to someone from Moreno.
Asshole! Using them to threaten me again. Damn the Morenos.
Bitch, if you don't do it, I'll report you.
$500 for one time.
Come here. Shut up. Can you behave well? Are you sure he was just here? He's not here. Keep moaning. Don't stop.
Okay.
Moan.
Okay.
Move out. You go that way. You go that way. Go, go. Come on.
Please don't kill me.
Go. Drive! Now!
They're after you, not me.
I said drive! Fuck! Faster! Sorry.
Get out. Get out before I shoot you, asshole.
Hold up. The cards are dealt, my friend. My sleeves are rolled up.
Do you even know how to use this? First, you've got to cock it.
But to do just what it takes.
Then, you put your finger here, and then you just pull this
The world keeps turning.
to kill me.
You think I won't do it?
Don't stop.
My God, you're bleeding? You're gonna die?
Looks like you don't have time to trigger after all.
I see is not within my
Okay, what do I do? What do I do?
Tweezers.
Okay. Okay, what now? What now? What do I do? What do I do?
You have to pull it out.
No, I can't. I don't know how.
Listen to me. If you don't, I'm going to die right here.
No, I can't. But I can't.
Hey. Hey, look at me. You can. Just pull it gently. You won't hurt anything else. I trust you.
Okay, I'm not gonna feel sorry for you if you scream, okay? Sorry. Okay, hold on. Okay, there. Shh. Okay. Yeah.
Don't press on the bone. You must really hate them.
My father is dead because of the Moreno family.
I'm sorry.
Your wound.
Thank you, ma'am, but I've gotta go.
I know who you are.
You know who I am? You know who I am?
Yeah. I mean, I've seen plenty just like you, running around in your leather jackets, trying to look cool and tough, but God, if you keep going down this path, you're gonna destroy yourself.
Are you really lecturing me right now?
Kid, I just saved your life, okay? I just want to make sure I didn't drag in another Moreno clone.
So you think I'm a bad boy? Do you know what happens when you bring a bad boy into your home?
What are you doing?
This smell in her. Why does it feel so familiar to me? Do I know you?
Oh my God, are you seriously flirting with me right now?
Whatever. I'm out.
Such an unpredictable kid. Did you forget something? John! John!
Are you here with another man? Are you here with another man?
No, John, look, we're divorced, okay? You need to get out.
Just like this? Who are you trying to seduce? Who are you trying to seduce? That were you? Come on here!
No, get off! Get off of me, bastard!
Get the hell off of her! I have no mercy for pathetic cowards who hate women. Cowards. Just fuck off before I shoot you. You two pay for this!
Why did you come back?
I heard you screaming. Are you okay? Who was that guy?
My ex-husband. The first time someone stood up for me. So this is what it feels like to be protected.
Stay safe.
Maybe you could stay for a little while, pretend to be my boyfriend. And he might come back, and then you need a place to heal.
Living here, playing the part of your boyfriend. Sounds like a pretty sweet deal to me.
Don't get me wrong, okay? Once you're healed, this is over. Stop thinking about it. He's just a good-looking boy. That's all.
Yes.
Mr. Moreno, we looked into Cathrine Hale. She's the one you've been looking for.
Listen, tell my father I'll be off the grid for a while.
Oh. Seriously? The new guy is hot.
Oh, I wish he would lift me up like he lifts those flowers. Have you ever heard of a shirt?
I think it's good for business. Don't you?
Maybe for your business. Those ladies are staring. I think one of them would probably drop 10 grand on you.
But I'm yours, right?
So lights on my skin, they whisper my name. Shadows move close,
You are
but they don't play the same.
way too close.
Then try to get rid of me. Not enough.
God, why would I even dream something like that?
So, what's the punishment when the owner slacks off on the job?
Nothing. I was just, I'm getting old. Clumsy with everything these days.
I'd really like to know what was going through your head. You're bright red.
Time to settle the score from the other night! You two lovebirds. Well, Kathy. Running your shop while screwing this little punk? I guess 10 years together didn't mean a damn thing to you.
John, you're allowed to have younger women, but I can't have a younger man?
What did you say?
You heard me. You think I wouldn't stand up to you? I'm going to let this whole town know what a freak you really are.
You filthy bitch! Shut your mouth!
Liam, it's not worth it. This piece of trash.
I already made a deal with Mr. Black. The shop is about to be mine. If you don't get back to me today, the Moreno boys are going to personally come over and wipe this place clean.
Are you seriously using that to threaten me?
You left me no choice. You have two options. Come home with me, or stay here and watch your precious shop get shut down today. What's so funny, punk? Still acting tough when you're about to get crushed. Speak of the devil. Mr. Black, I was just talking about you. Don't worry. I'll wire the money for this place right away.
John, sorry. The property's off the table. I can't sell it to you.
Huh?
Because someone else bought it.
What? Who the hell?
Someone you don't want to mess with. Please, leave right now!
Kathy, consider yourself lucky. We're leaving.
Don't worry. He's not going to use your shop to threaten you anymore.
How did you get him to back up?
Well,
This property now belongs to the Moreno family. Thanks for your cooperation. And if I ever hear that you're using the Moreno name again to bully anybody, next time we won't be so polite.
well, seems like your luck has been better since you met me.
No, Liam, this isn't making any sense. Who are you?
Ovarian insufficiency. Ovarian insufficiency. Doctor recommends increased sexual activity.
Give it back.
You know, I don't want other men touching you, but I could be your therapist.
I don't need sex therapy, ma'am. If I did, it would come from a man I know inside and out.
It was the next time I saw your eyes, and you were in my sight. I know why.
Mr. Moreno, any orders?
Kai, if you liked a girl, how would you go after her?
Boss, I wouldn't dare give advice. But if you're serious about her, don't dance around it. Ask her straight. Listen. Let her tell you who she really is.
Ask her straight. All right.
Hello?
Hello, Rose.
That voice. Sweetheart, why isn't your camera on?
I always get a little nervous around beautiful women. So I guess I'm just shy.
Cute. So, what can I do for you? I've got whips or handcuffs, maybe a wild story.
Yeah, how about you read me a story?
Midnight, he slowly slips off her robe.
Could you change he and she to you and me?
Jeez, this kid's got the riz. You slip off my robe.
You see me fly, you'll never catch me for it. You see me fly, the way I put my finger.
Kiss me all over. Or my hand slides down.
Okay. That's enough. Actually, I wanted to ask you something.
Huh.
I think I'm falling for a woman. I don't know how to win her over. She's got red silky hair, blue eyes, lashes so long they could cut the air. Ma'am, you still there?
I'm so sorry. Go on.
Right. So, any suggestions to win her heart?
Well, I would show her how you feel. Make her breakfast in the morning. Remember her favorite flowers. The little things. And most importantly, tell her